Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing how to draw Mang from BT21. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eye. So we're going to draw a circle starting from the very top. We're going to work our way around towards the bottom of the circle and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle on the inside. Starting from the top, we leave an even space and gap all the way around. Now we're going to fill that in black. Now from here we're going to draw on the front profile of the head. So from the right edge of the eye we're going to step out and go all the way up to the top. Start with a point. From this point we're going to curve across, round out the nose, and then just pull that back in towards the neck. So start up here, we're going to curve across. Start to pull that down around the nose. I'm just going to pull that into right about there. From this point, I just want to draw a short angle line coming down and out. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the ear. It's almost like drawing a circle. So we start from here. We're going to start by going up, rounding out the ear, and then we're just going to pull that back into right about there. Now let's draw on the back side of the head. From this point, I want to curve out and then down, just lined up with the left side. So we'll go out and then down. Now let's connect the bottoms with a curve. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve down and then back over towards the right side. At the front of the nose, we're going to step in and draw the nostril. So we're going to draw two straight angled lines, one on the outside, step in, draw that again. Now we're going to close out the top and bottom. So from the top, we're just going to curve up and then down. And then from the bottom, we're going to curve in the opposite direction. Let's fill the nostril in black. Now we're going to draw the edge of the nose. From the top of the nostril, we're going to go all the way up to the top of the face. Curve in, round this out, and then go back out. Now let's add the hair on the back side of the head. At the top of the head right here, we're going to draw a half circle going up and then back down in behind the ear. We're going to go up and then back down. Now I'm going to move to the side of the ear on the back, curve around, and then just pull that in. Let's draw a half circle going out, rounding it out, and then back in. We'll draw another one, curving out, and then in. Now we're going to draw a smaller one, coming down and then in behind the head. Now at the top of this curve, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. Now let's go to the side. From here, we're going to draw a straight line coming in behind the head. Let's go to the bottom curve. We're going to angle this one up, going up, and then we'll go to the bottom, angle up and in. Let's move down and draw on the body. From the corner of the head, we're going to step in and down. Right here, we're going to start by coming straight down. And at the bottom, we're just going to hook that in. Do the same thing on the right. Over here, just underneath the head, start by coming down. And at the bottom, we'll just hook that in. Now let's draw on the legs. We're going to find the halfway point between these two lines. So right here, we'll draw a point. Let's go back to the left side. Start by coming straight down the leg. We're going to round out the bottom of the foot. Now I'm going to pull this up towards that center point, going straight up. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the center, we're going to come straight down, round out the bottom of the leg, and pull this straight up. Now we're going to draw the left arm. We're going to start underneath the head, curve out, round out the hand, and then we're going to tuck that in behind the body. Let's go to the right side. So underneath the head, we're going to curve out, round out the hand, and then we're going to pull this in behind the body. Now the last thing we're going to do is add that little tail coming down on the right side. Starting at the base of the hair, I'm going to curve down, start to bend that out towards the right, to right about there. Let's add the tip of the tail. From here, we're going to curve down, up, we're going to round it out, and then pull that back in. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Mang from BT21. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.